Hey guys, it's Nikki, and welcome to this week's incredibly short plan with me and my Erin Condren Vertical Neutral. We are currently working through Ultimate Planner sale orders, so I wanted to sit down and plan my week, and I just set the camera up and did it like I would do it if I wasn't filming myself doing it, if that makes any sense. And then I cut the footage down very short like you guys are seeing right now, and I figured I'd just do a quick voiceover. So it is currently Tuesday when I'm doing this voiceover. We are under 100 open orders for the Ultimate Planner sale. So we are more than like, gosh, I don't know, 3/4 of the way through. The rest of those will ship by, I believe, Friday/Monday. We're working through them as quickly as possible. So we did not do new releases last week. We did not do $2 Tuesday last week or this week. We will have new releases on this Friday, and then we will also be doing our $2 Tuesday release on this Friday as well. I don't think I'm going to call it $2 Tuesday since it's not on a Tuesday. But I just wanted to push that so that we weren't adding on to the open orders that we already had. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. I will do a new release video on Thursday evening probably. And you guys let me know, did you like the plan with me in last week's, or maybe it wasn't, it may have been the week before, whatever the mystery kit new release video was, because that's something that I could try to do when I put the new release video up so that it isn't just that, but you guys let me know. So what else? Oh, sub spots opened up on I think the 6th. We opened them on whatever that Monday was, and I believe Sunday was the 5th, and they did sell out. They sold out by the next morning. So I'm going to have to try to figure out what we're going to do. I did put a poll up about not letting people skip. I think what we're going to end up doing is you'll be able to skip, as long as you don't skip twice in a row, you'll still keep your spot. But if you skip 2 subs in a row, it's going to go ahead and get canceled out, and then you can always sign back up. I don't know if I'm making sense. That way I'm able to open those spots up to people who are wanting to sign up, because you could, in theory, sign up and then just skip for all of eternity. So yeah, I think that works out. I think that is kind of like a happy medium. That way, if there is a sub that isn't like one that you like, you can skip and you're not going to lose your spot, but if you do skip twice in a row, we will cancel. You can always re-sign up if a spot is available. I hope what I just said makes sense. It is almost 10 p.m. and I am exhausted. So yeah, this kit, I don't think I said, this kit is from Little Miss Papery. This is her April Little Mystery subscription. You guys know I love Brittany's kits, and there was a little bit of a reformat in this, and I love it. The new fonts and everything that she's using are just super, super cute. I did leave a lot of this week blank, a lot of just like washi in spaces, and that's because when we are working through sale orders, that is pretty much all that's happening. My day for the past couple of weeks has been from 8 a.m. until, I would say, 5 p.m. It's going to depend on the day. I'm working. And then at 5 p.m. I'll go to the post office really quick, and then I'll take Oz to the LAKE. We'll do that, come back, have dinner. And by that point, I will play a little bit of Animal Crossing, and then it is time for bed, and then just repeat the whole process. So that's why there's just a lot of stuff kind of blocked out, because there's not been a lot going on other than just work. What else? I'm going to do some updating to the shop once we reopen. I need to pull some things. I think we just have too much stock again. As far as kits and stuff go, and since we also have the new kit format, I want to kind of move some stuff over into that format and have less of the older formats in the shop. I hope everybody is doing really great in self-isolation. I hope everyone is staying well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that it was so short. I will try to get another one up this week. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.